Most welcome in this English syllabus observation session. Let us participate in it positively. Half yearly examination, that is known also as term first. In the month of April, practice of small letters in cursive writing must be done daily. After that, words should be written in cursive writing. In textbook, you have to study lesson first to lesson third with exercises, word meaning of difficult words should be written so that the vocabulary might be strong. In rhymes, you have to practice rhyme first named God is behind. Rhyme second, good morning with proper action and clear pronunciation. In conversation, you have to practice lesson 1, that is practice of self introduction so that they may express themselves. That means you may express yourself. In the month of May and June, in textbook section, you have to study lesson 4 to 9 with given exercise, word meaning of difficult words should be written to enrich the vocabulary of you all students. In rhymes, you have to practice thank you and please. Rhyme second, the moon. Third, gift with proper action and pronunciation. What is this? Third, that is gift. The name of rhyme is gift, and you have to practice it with proper action and pronunciation. In conversation, you have to study lesson second, that is conversation, practice of a few polite sentences. In writing work, you have to do page number 6 to 10. Similarly, in the month of July, you need to study lesson 10 to 14 in your textbook with exercises. The teacher should teach the students formation of plural. That means formation, how to make plural of given words. They should also teach the opposite words other than prescribed lessons. Word meaning of difficult words should be written to enrich the vocabulary. Pronunciation and dictation practice. That means you have to improve your pronunciation and you have to practice dictation. In rhymes, you have to practice first for teachers, second sing and play, and third the clock. All these three are rhymes. First one is for teachers, second sing and play, and third the clock. Recitation with action and correct pronunciation. In conversation, you have to practice lesson 3, that is about family. Lesson 4, introduction between two friends. Practice work of question answer is a must. And in writing section, you have to practice page number 11 to 15. In the month of August, you have to practice dictation. Dictation, that is in the words of your book, it is dictation practice should be done daily and pronunciation practice should also be together. In textbook, you have to study lesson 15 to 18 should be practiced. Practice of opposite words other than prescribed lesson. Meaning of difficult words should also be taught. So parents need to observe it and must note it down in their diary so that they can get it checked. Rhymes. In rhymes, you have to practice fingers, family. Second, me with correct pronunciation and accent. In conversation, you have to practice lesson 5 named my house. Lesson 6 my daily routine should be taught with correct pronunciation. And in writing section, you have to practice page number 16 to 19. That means you have to write. You have to learn how to write correctly from page number 16 to 19. In the month of September, you have to revise all taught chapters, that is revision for half yearly examination. Now you have to prepare for annual examination, that is known also as term second. October, dictation and writing practice should be done daily. In textbook, lesson 19 to 20 should be practiced. Teachers must teach the students how to ask questions. Usage of different words in sentences must be taught. Rhymes. 1. Bang. Second. Great splash with proper action and creating sound effect. In conversation, you have to study lesson 7 named My School, lesson 8 named Colors with correct pronunciation. And in activity work, you have to draw the pictures of a letter box and a computer. Practice work of question answer is must. In writing section, you have to write from page 20 to 23. Similarly, in the month of November, you have to practice dictation, writing, practice pronunciation, practice word meaning, practice should also be done. And in textbook, lesson 21 to 24, teachers should teach the students how to ask questions and correct pronunciation. Rhymes. Name of days, post box with action and correct pronunciation. In conversation, you have to practice lesson 9, that is days of the week, and lesson 10, days of month with correct pronunciation. In writing section, you have to practice page number 24 to 27. In the month of December, you have to practice dictation and writing practice with question answer must be done. In textbook, lesson 25 to 27, practice of reading should be done with correct pronunciation. In rhymes, play and dance, worthy son with proper action. In conversation, you have to practice lesson 11th named conversation between two friends, and lesson 12 words done. No, lesson 12 is works done by people should be read properly. And in writing section, you have to write page number 28 to 31. Similarly, in the month of January, You have to learn text, lesson 28 to 29 in textbook. So in the words of your book, it is lesson 28 to 29 should be read with correct pronunciation, and question answer method should also be used. In rhymes, group song and dance. Second, group song and play with proper action. In conversation, remember lesson 14. Tell me who am I should be taught with question answer method. And in writing section, you have to practice page number 32 and 33. Similarly, in the month of February and March, textbook involves a study of practice work of question answer is a must. Activity work, make a list of difficult spellings. Writing works involves writing practice from page number 34 to 36. This is the revision for annual examination. Must note it down and practice accordingly so that you can score good marks in coming examination.